Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, May 15th, 1999, 8 am. Don't always doubt your capabilities. Write down. The celebrations have just ended, and my son is already dealing with other projects. His travels will keep intensifying. He has become a master globetrotter. He has traveling facilities which the great persons of the past did not have. This, together with all the modern means of communication, is a very great asset for the mission. He can meet the aspirants of spirituality in all the corners of the world. There is such a huge demand which is difficult to satisfy, despite all the facilities we have mentioned. He should delegate much more often. This is not easy. His spiritual dimension is irreplaceable, but he will have to do so in the future. The Abbasids will have to understand these reasons and think of him who goes so often beyond his strengths. My son is a builder in all the senses of the word. Nothing stops him. We admire him. Yet he too has to struggle with his human weaknesses, doubt, fear of not managing to resolve certain material problems. Do not believe that it's all easy for him. He too has health problems which bother him enormously, and yet he faces up to them. We are happy to see him implementing so well what we conceive. He is a true lion. Babuji. Saturday, May 15th, 1999, 10 am. It is necessary to accept the good and the evil with equal gratitude. What you consider as evil is actually one of your best weapons, according to the way you manage the situation. One needs fortitude to consider tests as blessings. With time, you will experience a different state of mind in the face of the difficulties which keep arising in one's lifetime. The medium says, Babuji, the scribe is not in good shape today. She is doing her level best, but she is operating pretty well. We managed to convey the main thing. Even if these messages always address by and large the same topics, it is important to present them in the form of dialogue. We are there face to face and we exchange. Is this not beautiful? We thus express all our love for our aspirants. We would love to carry them, to make them advance very quickly and liberate them, but we are bound to comply with certain rules. These messages will help. As you can see, you are useful, my daughter, you who despair for not being active in a way in line with your personality. All that you are doing was planned for a long time. We were waiting for the right moment, quite simply. See how lucky you are to be able to serve us like this. Be happy. Babuji. Sunday, May 16th, 1999, 8 am. We understand your difficulties and the efforts you make to remain stable. We are not insensitive to it. We have provided you some improvement on certain aspects, but we cannot change everything. Become aware of the good you are doing by taking these messages. Let them take your mind off the state you are enduring. Time on earth is short. It is a preparatory school, and your future depends on it. Be good pupils, grateful for going through an often tedious but constructive training. During the most difficult moments, try to cast a lucid look on the events. Take hindsight to assess the situation. Put things in perspective and draw relevant conclusions, knowing that what often affects you is not serious and that time ends up sorting out things. When faced with test, try to think of millions of beings living under inhuman conditions and for whom nothing is done. The remainder of humanity often has awareness. Gestures are made and good deeds are undertaken, but it is very insufficient. When everything goes wrong for you, try to do something for those who are in inextricable situations. That does not mean, though, that your problems will be solved, but through your generosity of heart and your thoughts, you may help a soul in distress. And for a while, you forget your own worries. You are no longer focused on your pain or your problems of family or money. You release yourselves of them in a way. Compassion is an important element that should not be neglected. It is even essential to your evolution. Cultivate it by letting yourself merge into human misery in general. You will minimize yours. You will find it more bearable. Never cease working on yourself. It is your great work, the most determining in the final analysis. When you take stock of your life, you will not have to brood for having missed one of the most important aspects. Sharpen your judgment about yourselves. Sooner or later, you will have to do it. Better not waste time. Take heart, Babuji. Sunday, May 16th, 1999, 10 a.m. Your Francois is doing an important work. You can be proud of him. He is a precious collaborator. His experience of human leadership on earth and his human qualities had prepared him for what he is doing today. He is a being of exception. The medium says, I miss him sorely, Babuji. I imagine how much he must be happy to serve you. Serving was his raison d'etre here below. We have several ways of using beings like him. The needs are much varied. You will make a good team when you rejoin each other. Your earthly experiences will have prepared you to do great things. For the time being, you must carry on your way alone, even if it is painful. Your training will be only more powerful. Rest and do not get anxious. Be blessed, my daughter, Babuji.